Hey guys, how's it going? We got another wiring video for you today. We are doing a early model, so 87 and below, chassis harness video going from an automatic harness to a manual harness. We are going to go through and fully remove it instead of just moving a few wires around. So because I do have the carpet out, this is pretty easy for me. If your carpet's in, it's a little more difficult, but can be done. So let's go ahead and get right into it.
All right, so I grabbed a automatic shift lever. That happens to be from an IX, so that's why it's missing the bottom end. But, so we have the wiring that goes there, which we already covered. And then we have the plug. These two are the wires for the reverse, which is right here. All right, so we're gonna unplug this. Actually, let's start with this. We're gonna unplug this one. Which goes over here, and then we're gonna unplug this one. And then we're just gonna go like this. And plug it in there. And we're good to go. And then all of this comes out. Woo! Bink! Add to the pile.
So that went real quick, and that's really how easy the manual swap is. So let's just go over it one more time. You will disconnect the automatic handle and the wiring there. You will then find the reverse light wiring that goes to the trans. So you'll swap that out for the manual trans. Plug it in. There's your reverse lights. That's good to go. And then what we did under the steering wheel cover, where your ignition wire goes to, there is a black and yellow wire that sits in there. If you have an automatic, that wire currently goes to a relay, which then doesn't allow the car to start unless it's in park. But once you disconnect it, and then you will connect the other black and yellow wire to it, you're basically deleting that relay. Now, I do not have cruise control in this car anymore, so the only thing I would be missing to keep cruise control in is a switch for the clutch. Manual cars have a clutch switch. It's not a clutch safety switch. It is so that when you depress the clutch, it shuts off cruise control. So that's not going to be in this video, but if you want to keep cruise control, you still need that clutch switch. So it tells the ECU that you have depressed the clutch, or at least it tells the cruise control ECU that you have depressed the clutch, which will then turn off cruise control. Because if you don't turn it off, it's just going to rev to the moon. And that's pretty much it. It's a really simple thing. If your carpet's in, like I said in the beginning of this video, all you have to do is swap those few wires and you're good to go. You don't need to remove everything. I just wanted to remove everything out of my harness so that when I go through and rewrap it, it's not there. If you guys have any questions, put it down in the comments down below, and I will go ahead and respond to them. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, @TheMassDriver. We have a few more wiring videos coming up. We have the engine harness. I believe we have another chassis harness video and a few other things. And then we'll get to getting this car started. So thank you guys again for watching. Have a great day.